Hey Kim, can you hear me all right? All right, so we're gonna get started soon. I'll give a couple minutes for people to join in, and we're gonna get started. Today we'll be doing Petroleum Ponder. It's gonna be tons of fun, so thanks for joining in, everyone. Let's see. Can everyone hear me all right, by the way? Feel free to give me like a thumbs up in the comments just to make sure my sound is good. Cool, thank you. All right, we'll wait a little bit longer and then I'll go ahead and get started. Thanks, Kim. All right, so right now we have about 5 people joined in. We'll go ahead and get started then. So, hi everybody, my name is Erin Bear. I am a 3rd year at Ohio State University, and I've been a NEED student for about 8 years, so been here a while. Today I'm tuning in from Columbus, Ohio. If you guys want, you can comment down below where you're tuning in from. Hopefully we have people from all across the country. That would be pretty cool. So since I'm in Columbus, I am like near a bunch of other off-campus students, so if you hear my neighbors, I apologize, but hopefully we shouldn't have any problems. Today we're going to be playing Petroleum Ponder, but before we get to the game, I want to give you guys a brief background on what petroleum is and where it comes from. So petroleum is a fossil fuel that is found underground in liquid form, and we commonly refer to it as oil. However, in its natural state, it's called crude oil, and petroleum can be used in many different ways. It's in gasoline, kerosene, diesel, jet fuel, and even in heating oil. So it's used for many of these different activities, so as you can imagine, petroleum is just packed with energy. And as I mentioned earlier, petroleum is a fossil fuel, so contrary to what you might think, it's not formed from the ancient remains of dinosaurs. It's actually formed from remains of marine plants and animals that are millions and millions of years old. So, since they're so old, it takes super long for them to turn into petroleum, meaning that it is a non-renewable resource. And petroleum is actually one of our highest demand energy sources. It accounts for about 1/3 of our energy consumption, and you can find it in a lot of your everyday household items, which is what we're going to be looking at today. I'm going to be holding up a few different items that I have here, and you guys will either give me a thumbs up in the comments if you think it has petroleum, or a thumbs down in the comments if you think it does not contain petroleum. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, and we'll start with the first household item that we have. Alrighty, so first we have this lipstick. I'll give you guys a few seconds. Either give me a thumbs up if you think it has petroleum, or a thumbs down. It's a super nice pinky reddy shade. Alright, so I'm seeing a thumbs up, lots of thumbs up. And you guys are actually correct. So some cosmetics are made with paraffin wax, and that's the same material that is used for chewing gum and scented candles, and paraffin wax is made from petroleum byproducts. So great job, guys. Awesome. The next item we have here is Scotch Tape. Tell me what you guys think. Thumbs up, does it have petroleum, or thumbs down? Okay, so Wayne's thinking thumbs down. Nick thinks thumbs down. All right, so this one was a little bit tricky, but the plastic film base material used in Scotch tape is made from polypropylene, and also known as PP, and that is a thermoplastic that is made from crude oil. So tape does actually have some petroleum in it, and additionally, this plastic container that is used for the tape also likely has petroleum in it. And Liam also says no. Hi, Liam. Awesome. Thanks, guys, for participating. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next activity. Here I have this little running jacket that I use. Tell me what you guys think. Sorry, Nick. Yeah, so thumbs up if you think it has petroleum, thumbs down if you don't think it does. Yeah, so it's my little just athletic jacket that I like to wear. Hi, Tegan. Thanks for joining in today. So Liam says no petroleum in it. Nick says yes with a ... in front of it. Tegan says yes. All right, yes. So this jacket is not made from cotton. It's actually made from some synthetic materials, one of them being polyester. So polyester is a synthetic petroleum fiber that is incorporated into about 60% of clothing worldwide. So since it has that polyester in it and that petroleum product in it, it's not biodegradable, whereas cotton products are biodegradable. So good job on that one, guys. Here's the next one I have. It's my deodorant. So give me a thumbs up if you think it has petroleum in it, or a thumbs down. Nick says no. All right, so I'll go ahead. Tegan says no on this one as well, and you guys are actually correct on this one. So Tom's is made from natural ingredients, so it actually does not have petroleum in it. However, most deodorants that aren't made from natural ingredients, so maybe something like Dove, that contains propylene glycol, and that is a liquid compound that is derived from petroleum, natural gas, or other vegetable sources. And what that does is it gives deodorant its very sticky consistency. And so while the deodorant itself is not made from petroleum products, the plastic container that it's in likely is made from petroleum products, because as I mentioned earlier, many plastics are made from petroleum. So like shampoo bottles, things of that sort, the container that this deodorant is. So this one's kind of a yes and a no, but typically most deodorants do have petroleum in it. All right, the next one that we have is pretty fun. It's my running shoe. Let me know what you guys think. So thumbs up or thumbs down. My running shoe is pretty lightweight and has some awesome support in it. So let me know what you guys think. Wayne, my shoe is not stinky, I promise. Nikki and Nick say thumbs up. Yeah, so I see a couple new people joining. What we're going to be doing is give me a thumbs up if you think it has petroleum in this product, or a thumbs down if you don't think it has petroleum in this product. So right now I'm seeing some thumbs up, and you guys are correct. So features that make running shoes like mine so lightweight, supportive, water resistant, and breathable. So you can see the fabric here, it's synthetic, makes it a little bit more breathable. that is made via a petrochemical product called ethylene vinyl acetate, also known as EVA, and it is a durable foam material that is derived from oil and natural gas. So yes, this part right here that gives me my support likely does have petroleum in it. So thumbs up for all you guys. You guys did great on that one. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and go to the last item that we have here, and that is my toothpaste. So again, thumbs up if you think it has petroleum in it, or thumbs down if you don't think it has petroleum in it. Tegan says no. Nikki says no. Wayne says yes and no. Okay, and Joan says no. So yeah, this one might be a little bit tricky. So toothpaste uses Petroleum 407, which is a common petroleum derivative that helps oil-based ingredients dissolve in water. So the way that toothpaste is a little bit gel-like. When you put your water on your toothbrush, it makes it a lot easier to brush your teeth. So that Petroleum 407 helps your toothpaste be able to be dissolved in water. So it is likely that this toothpaste does have a petroleum in it. The tube I'm not exactly sure about. It's not necessarily, it's like one of those like squeezy tubes, so I'm not sure. That's a really good question and something I'll have to look into for sure. So thank you guys for participating on that one. I bet the cap actually has petroleum in it now that I think about it. So yeah, those were all the items that I had. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Need will hopefully have more Instagram live sessions coming up in the future, so definitely be sure to tune in to those. Thank you guys for participating. You guys were awesome and did a great job today. Again, my name is Erin. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments. I'll stay down here and try to help you guys out if you have any other questions. Other than that, thanks guys. Have a great day. All right. Thank you guys.